Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, guys, we will be checking these out right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this had been more of an uptrend than a downtrend right from here, and of course, it got to this resistance zone and it broke out above it to buy more. So right now, it has not been able to break out from this particular resistance zone, so it switched the direction from an uptrend into a downtrend, and you can see gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it sold till it got to this region. So right now it is having a pullback. Once it is done with the pullback, okay, it is most likely for it to continue with a downtrend. But if it breaks out above this, then definitely we expect it to buy more. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, breaking out from most support regions. So I said if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will switch from a downtrend into an uptrend. But for now, it is still on downtrend, so it is still selling. Okay, because it has been playing around there for a while until it is unable to break out from here and it switch from a downtrend signal to an uptrend signal. That is when it's really going to buy. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if you should notice, this has been maintaining this resistance zone. Okay, so if it's finding it difficult to break out above this resistance region, then we might not experience the uptrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still very much on downtrend than uptrend, so we should watch out for that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 1200. This actually started a downtrend right from the zone, and of course, it sold till it got to to this region. Okay, like I said in the morning, that this is still going to sell, most especially once it breaks out from here, and this should be the target when that happens. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so you guys can still hold it and milk the market for a while. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. This is Paynex 999, and of course this also started a downtrend from here, and it has been selling. Okay, more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and just the way we are seeing it, this is still very much on downtrend. Okay, even though the movement is not that smooth, but it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend for long, got to this resistance, was unable to break out from there, went back up to break out above that resistance zone, and of course got to this region. If you should remember, I actually gave out a signal on this particular trade yesterday. It was not activated yesterday, and I made a video about it this morning. For those that followed up with my video, they would have seen the updates. Okay, and I said the signal which I dropped in the Telegram channel yesterday is still valid. So this is where it got activated. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, and right now it is having a pullback. This particular trend, this particular movement is a pullback. Okay, so once it's once it is done with the pullback, then it will continue with the downtrend. Okay, the only reason why it will not continue with the downtrend is if it breaks out above this. Okay, that is when it's going to buy more and may likely get to this region. But for now, it is still a pullback. Okay, so we still expect it to sell right from here. So it is buying at the moment, even though we expect it to sell once the pullback is over. So you should understand that very well. Once the pullback is over, we still expect it to sell more. So take note of that and take advantage of it when it happens. Okay, for those of you who have taken advantage of it right from the beginning, congratulations to you guys, because you guys should be in big profit right now. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.